Hello everyone, Mubarick here. Today I want to show you how to make an electronic signature. Imagine you receive contract from a different country. You now have to print, sign, scan and send it back. I don't even have a printer. So how can I make life easier without having to pass through this process? In today's video, I want to show you how you can use your phone to achieve said goal or use your PC. So for those of you using Android or iOS, you don't have to worry. And for those of you using your laptop, you don't have any problem to worry. On our phone, we go to Play Store. So we click on Play Store in our Microsoft Office. And we pick on the best match. Yeah, luckily I've already installed Microsoft Office on my phone. So if you haven't installed it, you have to go ahead and install it. So now let's just jump and open Microsoft Office for installation. So now on our home screen, I have a night mode. If yours comes in a day mode, you can still go ahead and use it. So beneath it, we go to the action button and press on action. So here under the action button, we have sign a PDF, scan to PDF. So here we are interested in signing the PDF. So when we press here, we have the option of going through the browse to pick the thing from our device, the document we want to sign from our device. Or if you already installed it also, if you have it on your OneDrive, you can quickly go ahead and pick it up from there. So now I have it here. So let's go and pick the job offer acceptance. So here I receive a letter of acceptance and I want to go ahead and append my signature. So on it, I have an option where I can tap where I wish to sign. So I just press here. So when I press here, signature button like this will come. So I then go ahead and put in my signature. Here's my signature. So once I'm done with my signature, I can pick which color I want, whether I want black or green or blue. Here I want to leave it in blue so that it will look like I put in my pen to do it. So I then go ahead and save it. So once you press on save, it will automatically comes to where you want to place it. So you can resize it to fit where you want to place it. So after that, you then go ahead and save it. Yes, now we are done. We are having a document that has been signed by Sarah B. Rodriguez. So now let's jump to the PC. On our PC, we quickly go to the search button, the taskbar. You type Paint 3D. So pick the best match, Paint 3D. So once we pick the best match, we have an option new, open, paste. Click on new. So when we click on new, here we have an interface where we can put our signature here. But before then, we have to pick one of the marker. So here when we quickly go and pick 𝗕ጽ_pen, we want to pick this button, 𝗕ጽ_pen. For the thickness, I like it to be in the same thickness, 5 pixels. The opacity, I want it to be 100%. So we have an option to pick which color, whether we want to pick white, light gray, dark gray, black, dark red, or any color that you want. But for the purpose of this, I want to keep it as blue. So here we are now coming to enter our signature. So quickly have to come and put my signature here. So So I'm okay with this signature that I want to put there. So quickly, let's go ahead. So when you're having this signature, it's all white background. So we can make it transparent. So making it transparent, we just quickly have to pick on canvas. So canvas, when we select on canvas, we go to transparent canvas, we turn it on. So now we have it as transparent background. So we can crop it by reducing the height of it. Crop it by reducing size, everything. So we are reducing it to the best size that we want, so that we can get only the signature there. So once we are done, we can go ahead to save it. Click here, we go to save as. So save as, there are places where we can select it. I'm going to select this as image. So once I click here we type the file name and we are saving as the type. So the file name, I'm going to put signature. So once I'm done, at the save as type here, when I click on the ellipsis to drop the button, we have PNG, JPEG, bitmap, and everything. Let's keep it as PNG. We want to have a transparent background. So let's quickly save. So once we save, we have this thing appear on our desktop. So let's go to the document we want to insert it on. So we can go ahead and close this. So once we close, here is the document we want to. This is the PDF document. So go to open as. Use Word. So once we open Word, it will give us a prompt that Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while, and as a result it might optimize this and that. Let's go ahead and click OK. So once we press on OK, we then have to, we are inserting the signature to this button. So once we are done, we just move the signature from where it is directly into Word. Paste it there. So once you paste it, it can go to any button. You have the option of bringing it back to where you want it to be. So we can drag it, bring it here. So once we drag it and bring it to where the signature column is, here you click on this button. Click it, it drops you a menu. You go and pick this one, behind text. Behind text. Click it, then you can go ahead and close it. So when you are done like that, then you go and insert it properly as you wish it to be. So now we have it in our text. Once we are done, let's go back and save it as PDF. You go to File, come to Save As, click on Save As, go to Desktop, go to Desktop. Here we are saving as document 8 with signature. Document 8 with signature. Here the save as type, we are saving it as PDF. Click on PDF. So once we are done, we then go ahead and click on save. So now we'll be having our document here with PDF. Well, thank you for watching. Let me know down below the comment if you learned anything new. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up. To see many other videos like this, please consider subscribing. If you want me to cover any new topic, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. That's all I have for you today. Bye bye.